Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we will dive deep into a comprehensive comparison between two famous e-commerce platforms, Shopify and WooCommerce. If you are looking to set up an online store or switch platform, this video will give you all the information you need to make an informed decision. Now, I am not sponsored by these companies, I am simply sharing my personal experiences with them. However, at any point you decide to check out Shopify, we have provided a special discount link in the description below. With the world of e-commerce rapidly evolving, finding the right platform for your online store may seem overwhelming. However, with the right knowledge, it does not have to be. We extensively reached and tested Shopify and WooCommerce, so you do not have to, and we are excited to share our insight with you. Ease of use. Shopify has a user-friendly interface with an intuitive setup process. Since it's hosted platform, you do not have to worry about managing technical aspects like security or hosting. Shopify lets you quickly set up your store, add product, and customize the design perfect for those with little coding knowledge. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is a WordPress plugin that transforms a website into an online store. It offers more control and customization, has a stepper learning curve. You must manage security, hosting, and update yourself or through a hosting provider, making it less beginner friendly. Scalability. If your business is growing and you need to handle high volume sales, Shopify can scale with you. It supports business of all sizes, from small shop or to large enterprises. Shopify including inventory management, secure payment gateway, marketing tool, and wide range of plugins from its app store. With WooCommerce, scalability depend on your hosting provider. Since it's open source, it offers endless customization and flexibility, but scaling require a more powerful hosting plan which increasing cost. While you can create a highly customized store with WooCommerce, finding the right combination of plugin takes effort. Shopify is the better option for scalability since it's handle all technical aspect for you. Theme and design. Shopify offers 70 professional themes that are easily customizable and optimized for mobile devices, providing a seamless shipping experiences. WooCommerce offers thousands of WordPress themes, both free and premium. However, not all themes are designed for e-commerce, so you must choose carefully to ensure they fit your need. While WooCommerce gives for more flexibility, Shopify provides a similar way to achieve a polished look with minimal effort. Customer support. Shopify provides 24 by 7 customer support via email, live chat, and phone or all plan. Their support team is responsive and can quickly resolve any issue. WooCommerce support varies depending on your hosting provider, theme, or plugin developer. While there is an active WooCommerce community with forums and documentation, getting direct assistance can be more challenging compared to a Shopify. Dropshipping. Shopify integrates with multiple popular dropshipping vendors. While costs vary, you are limited to Shopify approved plugin. WooCommerce. WooCommerce offers hundreds of vendor integration, giving you more choice. If you are running a small business with low order volume, you can choose per item delivery option instead of monthly subscription. Pricing. Shopify offers a 3-day free trial, after which you can select a plan that fits your need. The basic plan starts at $19 per month with premium plans reaching to $99 per month. These plans including security, hosting, and support. WooCommerce is a free plugin, but you must pay for domain registration, hosting, and any premium theme or extension you need. Hosting costs range from $5 to $13 per month. Domain name average $15 per year, and SSL certificate can range from free to $100 per year. WooCommerce costs depend on how you customize your store. Payment option. Shopify supports multiple payment options, including its own Shopify payment. However, Shopify charge an additional 2% fee on each transaction unless you use Shopify payment. The fees is reduced to 0.5% for advanced plan. WooCommerce support Stripe, PayPal, and various other payment gateway like Amazon Pay and Alipay. Since WooCommerce is self-hosted, you only pay transaction fees from your bank or payment processor. Final thought. Ultimately, the choice between Shopify and WooCommerce depend on your need. technical experiences and budget. If you want a simple managed platform with the built-in support, Shopify is great option. If you prefer full control, customization, and potentially lower long-term cost, WooCommerce may be the better choice.